Hello guys, we are group 5. Our topic is comprehending sounds. The first is Nelly, the second is Medijan Tololo, and the third is Esraraganaga, and the last is Meli Sriwahyu. Next, what is comprehension? Comprehension is not the passive recording of what is heard or seen. We don't necessarily hear a word spoken to us. Next, comprehension is strongly susceptible to the subtleties of the change in the source which the listener is attending to. Next, comprehension is not processed in a linear sequence. We process chunks of information, not individual words, and not meaning in isolation. Next, who are you referring to? Okay, next, what phonemic information is used to distinguish Benny from Benny? Voice onset timing or VOT, the brief burst of a which precedes the articulation of all stop consonants, provides phonetic information listeners use to distinguish between sounds like P and B. P is 50 milliseconds or 1 for 20 seconds later than B. Next, Q1. How do we perceive the subtle difference so rapidly and so articulately? We are born with the ability to provide subtle phonetic differences. Categorical perception. We perceive the phonetic difference in binary. Next, categorical perceptions. If you hear sound with a VOT of about 25 milliseconds, about halfway between B and P, which would it be? Next, Q2 is the ability to categorically perceive phonetic difference influenced by the linguistic environment.